Safety glasses can be labeled with different types of safety ratings. In previous videos, we've covered ones like ANSI and EN166, but today we're going to look at the ratings D3, D4, and D5. The D3 rating indicates that a pair of safety glasses can provide the user with splash resistance. This can come in many forms such as molten items and liquid chemicals. The D4 rating adds an additional layer of protection against dust and blocks debris from coming inside the glasses. The final D5 rating is for fine particulates that aren't readily available to be seen by the naked eye. These usually bypass the best safety glasses, but not those with this rating. This feature is important because the eyes can easily absorb fine particles. So if you're in an environment with these types of particles, then grabbing a pair of D5 safety glasses is a must. Safety glasses like the T9-603 come with a D3, 4, and 5 rating, making them one of the most safe and protective glasses out there. In addition to the D rating, these frames also come with protective side shields and both EN166 and ANSI Z87 ratings against high velocity impact. For more information about the D rating system and the T9-603, check us out on our website at rx-safety.com.